Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter X. Capital X. Starting from the top, draw a slanting line down towards the right, and then go to the top and draw a slanting line towards the left, cutting the first line in the middle. Small x. Starting from the middle, draw a slanting line down towards the right, then go to the middle and draw a slanting line towards the left, cutting the first line in the center. Now you know how to write the letter X, so try to write it properly.